Hi students, how are you? I hope you are all safe at your houses. Okay, now today we discuss about the concept is percentage. So percentage, the word percent means out of 100. That means if we take a part, that means whole, it broken up into 100 equal parts. Okay, so the whole is broken up into 100 equal parts. Then how many parts we have to take from the 100 parts? That is nothing but the percentage. Okay, so that means, for example, a whole can be broken up into 100 parts. Then we want to 15 parts only. So then the 15 parts can be represented as 15 percentage. Okay, so in the same manner, the percentage symbol is denoted by this one percentage. A slash is wrote, and two dots are up and down. So that symbol is represented as percentage symbol. Okay, so 1% means 1 out of 100 parts. In the same manner, 29% means 29 parts out of 100 parts. So that is the meaning of percentage. So finally we have to conclude what is the meaning of percentage. So if a whole can be broken up into 100 equal parts, then how many parts we want or we required? So that is represented as percentage. Okay, next one, how to convert a percent into a fraction. So the percentage can be converted into a fraction. How it is possible? So that we discuss now. So that for example, we take convert 58% into fraction. So firstly, 58% where the percentage symbol can be removed and divide the number by 100. So that means 58 percentage is equals to 58 by 100. So where the percentage symbol removed, after that we divide by 100 to the given number. So that is 58 by 100. So where we cancelled 2 29s are numerator and 2 50s denominator. So that is equals to 29 by 50 is the simplest form of 58%. So where the 2950 is a fraction. So in the same manner, convert 55% into a fraction. So 55% can be written as 55 by 100. Here we cancelled by 5 11's numerator and 5 20's denominator. We get finally 11 by 20. So 55% is equals to 11 by 20 is a fraction form. Okay students, so you have to do the homework problems are given in this slide. Express each of the following percents as fractions in the simplest form. So these four problems you will do that, those one. So this is the simple method we have to convert a percent into a fraction form. Okay, next one, how to convert a fraction into a percent. So previously we have discussed how to convert a percent into a fraction. Now in the reverse process, like how to convert a fraction into a percent. So if the fraction is given, then how to convert that fraction into a percent. So first we take the one of the example, convert the fraction 8 by 25 into a fraction percent. So simply we have to multiplying the fraction by 100 and place the percentage symbol after it. So after multiplying the 100 to the given fraction, we add a symbol, percentage symbol. So for example, here see here 8 by 25 is equals to 8 by 25 into 100, where the fraction is multiplying by 100. So 8 by 25 into 100. So 25 ones are 25 fours are. That is equals to 8 into 4, that equal to 32, and add the percentage symbol, we read as 32%. So that means 8 by 25 fraction is in percent form is 32%. So in the same manner, 4 by 25 into percent. 4 by 25 can be multiplied by the number 100. We get 25 ones are 25 fours are will cancelled. We get 16, and add the percentage symbol, we get 16%. So 4 by 25 is equals to 16%. So students, so this is also a simplest method to convert a fraction into a percent, so that you have to do some problems are given in homework. So express each of the following fractions as percents. So these 4 problems you will do, and then here the second, third and fourth problems are mixed fractions, so that you have to convert those mixed fractions into improper fractions. After that you have to multiplying each improper fraction by 100, you will get in percent. Okay, next one, how to convert the ratio into percent. So if the ratio is given and it will be converted into percent, how it is possible? So let us we take one of the example, 11 is to 20. So this ratio can be converted into percent. How? So 11 is to 20, this ratio can be expressed by fraction form, that is 11 by 20. So 11 by 20 is a fraction, and then we want to this fraction into percentage, so that this fraction is multiplied by 100, so that into 100. So here we cancelled 21s are 25s are. Finally we get 11 into 5, that is equals to 55. So and add the percentage symbol, we get 55%. So totally 11 is to 20 ratio is in percent form is 55%. So let us see another example, 2.5 is to 5.5. So it is the ratio, how to convert in percent. So same, we know that the ratio can be represented in fraction form is 2.5 by 5.5, and we have multiplying with 100, and 2.5 can be expressed as 25 by 10, and 5.5 can be expressed as 55 by 10, where 10 will cancel, and we get 25 by 55 into 100, where 55 cancelled by 5, 5 11s are 5 20s. So finally we get 25 into 20, that is 500 by 11. So 500 by 11 is nothing but 45.4, where we have to do by the actual division process. So that is a ratio can be converted into a percent. Okay, so see students, some homework problems are given here. Express each of the following ratios as percents. So these 4 problems you have to do the above process similarly. Okay, and next process is how to convert percent into ratio form. So this is the reverse process. So previously we have discussed the ratio can be converted into percent. So here also the percent can be converted into ratio form. How we can do? So let us we take one of the example. We take 12% into ratio form. So where 12% is equals to, where 12% can be expressed as 12 by 100, where we have to remove the percentage symbol and then we divide by 100 to the given number. Okay, so and we will cancelled by 4, that is 4 3s are 4 25s are. So finally we get 3 by 25 is a fraction. So 3 by 25 is a fraction. It will be written as in ratio form, that is 3 is to 25. So finally 12% can be converted into ratio form is 3 is to 25. So students, you have to see some similar homework problems you have to do. So express each of the following percents as ratio form. So these 3 problems you will do as the above process. Okay, and next process is how to convert percents as decimals. So if the percentage is given, then how to convert it into as decimals, how to do this process? So let us we take one of the example. Convert 1% into decimals. So 1% is equals to, it will be written as 1 by 100, where the percentage symbol we remove and then we divide that number by 100, that is equals to 1 by 100. So that is equals to, if we add zeros on left side, that number value is does not change. So that I added 1 0 left side of the digit 1. So 0 1 is also equals to 1. So 0 1 by 100. So here the denominator part has 2 zeros, so that in the numerator part we have to leave the 2 digits from the right side, and we add point after 2 digits from right side. So 0 1, these 2 digits are there. After that we add point symbol, we get 0.01. So this is the decimal form. And then another example you have to see here. Convert 37% into decimals. So 37% can be written as 37 by 100, where the denominator having 2 zeros, so that we add the point in the numerator from right side to left side. We have to leave 2 digits from right to left. So 7 3, right to left 7 3. After 7 3 we add point. So that is read as 0.37. Okay, so 37% in decimal form is 0.37. Okay students, you have to see some homework problems as the above same process. express each of the following percents in decimals. So these three problems you will do in the same above process. And next, how to convert the decimals into percent. So how to convert the decimals into percent? So they are a reverse process of the previous process. So in the previous process, how to convert the percent into decimals. And next, now the process is how to convert the decimals into percent. So let us we take one of the example 0.125 into percent. So 0.125 it will be changes into percent. So just we have to multiplying 0.125 with 100. So we get where we have multiplying with 100 in the case of decimal numbers. So if we have to multiplying 100, so in the decimal part where in the 100 two zeros are there, so that in the decimal part then after point of digits, two digits are move from left side of the point. So that means 0.125 where the point after the point of digits 1 2 are moved from the left side of the point, that is 12 point, the remaining digit is 5. So finally 12.5 is in the percent. Okay, so that finally 0.125 is in the percent form is 12.5%. So in the same process, convert 1.35 into percent. So same process we applying here also. 1.35 is equals to 1.35 into 100. So here after the point of right side two digits are there. In case we have multiplying by 100, the point after the point of two digits are moving left side of the point, so that we get 135%. So the finally 1.35 is in percent form is 135%. So in the same manner, convert 0.007 into percent. How to write this? So 0.007 is multiplying by 100, where the point of decimal numbers where three digits are there. Here we multiplying by 100 to the decimal number 0.007, where after the point of right side of digits two digits are moved from right to left of the point of the left side, so that whereas two zeros are moving from right to left. So two zeros are moving from right to left, we get finally 0 point. Then how many digits are here after the point? Only one digit, that is 7. So finally 0.7%. So 0.007 is in the percent form is 0.7%. So students, you have to see the homework problems. Express each of the following decimals as percent. So these four problems you have to do from the to the above same process. Okay, students.